Morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the beauty of a paddy field. See how the paddy fields are greenery and so beauty. Enchni abad ni patar mi balbach mengjok mi nabach mengjok niachmbo dak plain dalamo. It's so big. And that side is others one, and this all are ours. Let me show you. It's so sunny day today. This is the paddy. This is a garden. I'll not show you my face today because we came for here working, then I might be dirty, so I'll not show you today my face. I'll just show you the scenery. This is sticky rice. It is blackish, and some are red, some are black. Yan minulunga kachak gisem daka aru kachak daka. Mega kana bisong ye chide minul anchi ne kana chinge wes karbia rongode minul anchi ne kana ya minul ya paksa chi minul ari aru paksa chi mi donga mi jaha donga mai mi donga aba masija pangan plan. Yes, and guys, start of day. Now, so my meso kana skani kamansa meso katinga. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.